Hello again, it's Helen Howe from Helen Howe Designs, and today I'm going to show you how to put together my latest design, which is a Hexegon Trifold card. Now before I start, I'll just mention credits. The template for this card is designed by Carol Dunn at Crafts Shoe Print. Some of the graphics come from Zaza Scrap and Tube Stores under license, jaguarwoman.com and Annalisa Batista. Now in this kit you will get your card base and you will get a backing sheet. I have actually printed straight on to the back of my card with my backing sheet. You will get a decoupage sheet and an envelope. And I've made the envelope up ready, so I'll just move that out the way. You will also get a cut and fold sheet which tells you exactly what the folds are, and in the green area right along these thin lines, that is where you cut. Okay, so you can follow that and your card will work out fine. Now then, I have already cut these out, but I have left one just to show you. When I'm saying you have to cut all those areas that it shows you up until where. So let's just do that. Let's move this out the way and put that in. Cutting sheets falling down, but that's not a problem. So let's get on and cut this out. So here we're cutting up to this line here. So we're going along. I'm using a scalpel. You use whatever suits you. Going along, right across and meeting at the other end. That's it. Now we have to just go down these areas. And she said it's as simple as that, and I've cut out to there. So if you follow your cutting sheet and your folding sheet, you won't have a problem. Now then, all the A lines are mountain folds and all the B lines are valley folds, and then you've got a mountain and a valley there. So I've already done the scoring because you don't want to sit and watch me score. So let's do that. The first fold, you're not going to fold that, you're going to fold that and that. And I just need my bone knife to make sure we get some nice crisp folds. Whoops, talk about butterfingers. Now then, we've done that first fold, but this one in the middle is also a mountain. So we're going to fold that like that. Okay, this one is a valley. So let's get that one done and out the way. Okay, so our next fold is a valley fold. So this is going to come down to there like that. And we're going to fold that down that way. Now this next fold is a mountain again. That one and that one. See, it's not hard and very simple. And of course your last one is a valley, which you can bring down. Now your whole card is folded, and while I've got it folded I can show you fits perfectly into its slimline envelope. Now then, that is all there is to putting this card together. but we've got decoupage. So I'm going to start at the back. I've done you a label to write on. So I'm going to attach that to the back with a little bit of glue tape. There we go. Put that out the way, bring that back, spread that out. I'm going to put it on the middle piece, like that. So there is your sentiment tag at the back. So now we have the decoupage. I've already put a little bit of embellishment on these, a little bit of gold glitter and a tiny pearl in the centre. So what we need are some foam squares. So let's do that. If they'll come apart. They don't always want to. That one's not going to. Right, that's it. You'll only want one on one of these. Take that apart and match it up. And that's one. And we'll do the same with the other side. Match that one up. There we go. Okay, now we've got this middle one. Just find the right way up, that's it. I'm going to use smaller foam squares for this so that they don't show on the outside, and I'm just going to put a few around randomly to hold the circle and give it support. Right, so let's just get rid of those bits on there. Make sure that you check your image that you're actually putting it on the right way. This again is a very simple card design that has really an effective finish to it. So now then we've got that dark blue there, that's the right flower for the bottom. So if we get that right, oh, that's you, and you, and you, and you. There we go, that's in. So we've now got a bell for the centre, and again I've done a little bit of glitter on the bell strikes, whatever they're called. Also on the wreath I've put little gems for the circle of the flowers and a tiny little bit of glitter on the berries. You can do as little or as much as you please. I think sometimes that less is more, but that's entirely up to you what you do. And now we've got to get that under there like that. Whoops. There we go. So that's those decoupage all in. So all we're left with now are the stars. And again, I'm only going to use one foam. Oh, that's too big. I'll have to use the smaller ones. Put that back. Don't want it showing up. I'll use a double small. There we go. That's one. Two. Now if you wanted, you could glitter up these stars as well. That goes like that. And the last gold one, get a double for you if I can. There we go. That's off. And that is your card. Fold it up. Stands up like that. You've got something to write on the back and goes in your envelope perfectly. So if you make this, I hope that you enjoy doing so, and whoever receives it, I hope they get pleasure from looking at it. Until next time, happy crafting.